The remote riches radar is locked onto a powerful strategy today: building and monetizing niche affiliate websites. But forget the hype. This is all about data-driven decisions and sustainable income. Success in this space isn't about chasing overnight riches. Instead, it's about selecting the right niche, producing valuable content, and strategically incorporating affiliate links. Here's how to do it step by step. 1. Niche selection. Start by using keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to identify low-competition keywords with decent search volume. Instead of broad categories, drill down into specific sub-niches. For example, rather than targeting camping gear, consider ultralight backpacking stoves for high-altitude treks. The more specific, the better. 2. Website setup. You don't need anything fancy. A simple WordPress site with a clean, user-friendly theme will do. Prioritize functionality and readability over complex design elements. 3. Content creation. Quality content is the foundation of any successful affiliate site. Focus on in-depth product reviews, comparison guides, and problem-solving articles. The goal is to provide real value to your audience rather than just pushing affiliate links. 4. Affiliate link placement. Links should feel natural, not forced. Use contextual links within articles, create product comparison tables, and incorporate product boxes where relevant. The key is to provide helpful recommendations, not aggressive sales pitches. 5. SEO optimization. Optimize each piece of content with proper keyword usage, high-quality backlinks, and a focus on user experience. Google rewards content that genuinely helps readers. 6. Traffic generation. Driving visitors to your site is essential. Leverage social media, participate in niche forums, and contribute guest posts on related websites. The more you engage with your audience, the better your reach. 7. Monetization strategy. Beyond affiliate links, consider diversifying income sources with display ads, sponsored content, or even an email marketing funnel. Multiple revenue streams reduce risk. 8. Tracking and optimization. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor performance. Analyze data regularly to tweak content, improve rankings, and refine marketing efforts. 9. Scaling up. Once your first site gains traction, expand by producing more content, branching into related niches, or even outsourcing tasks to grow your business efficiently. 10. Patience and persistence. Affiliate websites take time to generate results. Don't expect instant success, but by staying consistent and focusing on value, long-term rewards will follow. The Remote Riches Radar isn't about quick wins. It's about sustainable, data-backed strategies for long-term online income. Stay patient, keep optimizing, and success will come. If you would like a system that would help you with this plan, please click the link in the description.